Here are the types of vertical integration. Backward vertical integration, moving ownership of activities upstream to the originating inputs of the value chain. Backward vertical integration takes place when businesses at the end of the supply chain take on the activities that are upstream of its products and services. In other words, backward integration is when a company buys another company that supplies the product or services needed for production. For example, Microsoft chose to have HTC of Taiwan manufacture the product's hardware when they launch a smartphone that uses Windows 8, Microsoft's latest operating system. Forward vertical integration. It is a moving ownership of activities closer to the end of customer. Forward vertical integration is when a company expands by purchasing and controlling the direct or supply of its products. In short, it involves the purchase or control of a company's distributors. Here's another example. Foxconn and Apple. Foxconn is a company that actually makes iPhones. It is a Chinese company. The job of Foxconn is making and assembling iPhones. That is done in China. They assemble the phones and supply it to Apple in USA. And Apple sells those iPhones. The example of backward vertical integration would be if Apple starts the job of Foxconn as well. So if Apple started assembling their own phones, that would be the example of backward vertical integration. The example of forward vertical integration would be when Foxconn starts selling their own branded Foxconn mobile phones. If they make a different brand in China and sell mobile phones under the brand name of Foxconn, that would be an example of forward integration, rather forward vertical integration. Vertical integration can help companies, and there are risks as well as the benefits in implementing vertical integration. The number of benefits includes securing critical supplies and distribution channel, lowering cost, improving quality, facilitating scheduling and planning, facilitating investments in specialized assets. So in other words, vertical integration helps decrease the transportation cost and it reduces delivery turnaround times. It helps reduce the supply disruptions from suppliers that might fall into financial hardships. It also helps increase competitiveness by getting products to consumers directly and quickly. It also lowers the cost through economy scale. It is by buying large quantities of raw materials or streamlining the manufacturing process per unit, costs are lowered and improve scales and profitably by creating and selling a company-owned brand. Vertical integration along the industry value chain can also facilitate investments in specialized assets. So what are specialized assets? Specialized assets are assets which features or aspects that makes it more useful for one or a few specific purposes only. It is unique assets with high opportunity cost. Those are site specificity, physical asset specificity, and human asset specificity. Site specificity. These assets are required to be co-located, meaning a natural resource available at a certain location. Physical asset specificity. It is a specialized machine tool or complex computer system designed for a single purpose, like the bottling machinery for Coca-Cola and PepsiCo. Human asset specificity. It deals with the degree to which skills, knowledge, and experience of the agency's personnel are specific to the business process, meaning it is highly specialized human skills. If there are benefits, expect that there are also risks in implementing vertical integration. Those are increasing cost, reducing quality, reducing flexibility, increasing the potential for legal repercussions. In other words, the risks are increasing costs such as increasing cost structure and administrative cost of vertical integration such as purchasing a supplier can be significant. Outsourcing to suppliers and vendors might be more efficient if their expertise is superior. That's all. Thank you.